Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're thrilled to present an in-depth exploration of the highly anticipated 2025 Honda NS400 ZT. This motorcycle has generated significant buzz in the biking community, and we're here to provide you with a comprehensive overview of its features, performance, and what sets it apart in the competitive landscape of modern motorcycles. The 2025 Honda NS400 ZT represents a significant leap in Honda's engineering and design philosophy. Building upon the legacy of its predecessors, this model introduces a blend of advanced technology, refined aesthetics, and enhanced performance capabilities. Honda has meticulously crafted this bike to cater to both seasoned riders and newcomers seeking a dynamic yet manageable riding experience. At the heart of the NS400 ZT lies a 399cc water-cooled DOHC inline twin-cylinder engine. This powerplant is designed to deliver a harmonious balance between low-end torque and high-end power. Riders can expect a torquey and powerful performance at low and mid-range speeds, which are often utilized in daily commuting scenarios. As the throttle opens up, the engine exhibits a smooth and robust acceleration, ensuring a thrilling ride on open roads. The engine's architecture emphasizes efficiency and responsiveness. The water cooling system ensures optimal thermal management, allowing the engine to maintain performance consistency even under demanding conditions. The DOHC double overhead camshaft configuration enhances valve timing precision, contributing to the engine's ability to breathe efficiently across the rev range. This results in a power delivery that is both linear and exhilarating, catering to a wide spectrum of riding styles. In terms of design, the NS400 ZT embodies a philosophy that combines toughness with lightness. The styling is based on the concept of daily crossover, featuring a solid shape and layered structure that achieves both robustness and agility. This design approach ensures that the bike is not only visually appealing but also practical for various riding environments. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek headlight assembly, which integrates seamlessly with the bike's aerodynamic lines. The compact design of the headlights and taillights contributes to a dignified yet lightweight impression, enhancing the bike's modern aesthetic. The screen, flush with the headlight, creates a silhouette befitting an adventure model while ensuring high wind protection. This design aims to reduce rider fatigue by providing a comfortable wind flow, contributing to comfort in a wide range of situations, from city riding to long touring. The NS400 ZT's frame is engineered to provide a balance between rigidity and weight. This lightweight frame offers sufficient stiffness to handle flat dirt surfaces, making it versatile for both urban commuting and light off-road adventures. The bike's agility is further enhanced by its suspension setup, which is tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining precise handling characteristics. Honda has equipped the NS400 ZT with a suite of modern features to enhance the riding experience. The inclusion of Honda RoadSync allows riders to seamlessly connect their smartphones to the bike's system, providing access to navigation, calls, messages, and music through intuitive handlebar controls. This integration ensures that riders can stay connected without compromising safety or convenience. The instrument cluster is a fully digital display, offering clear and concise information at a glance. Riders can monitor speed, engine RPM, fuel levels, and other essential data with ease. The display's layout is customizable, allowing riders to prioritize the information that matters most to them during their journey. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of the NS400 ZT. The bike comes equipped with a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring confident braking performance in various conditions. This feature prevents wheel lock-up during sudden braking, enhancing rider control and reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the bike's lighting system utilizes LED technology, providing superior visibility and energy efficiency. Ergonomics play a crucial role in the NS400 ZT's design. The seat is crafted to offer comfort during extended rides, with a shape that accommodates a natural riding posture. The handlebar position provides a balance between sporty handling and upright comfort, reducing strain on the rider's wrists and back. foot peg placement is optimized to complement the overall ergonomics, ensuring that riders of varying sizes can find a comfortable and controlled riding position. The NS400ZT's fuel tank has been designed with both aesthetics and practicality in mind. Its sculpted form enhances the bike's aggressive stance while providing ample capacity for long-distance travel. The tank's shape also allows for a secure grip with the knees, aiding in rider stability during dynamic riding maneuvers. In terms of performance, the NS400ZT is engineered to deliver an engaging and responsive ride. The engine's power characteristics make it suitable for a variety of riding scenarios, from spirited city commuting to relaxed highway cruising. The bike's lightweight construction and balanced chassis contribute to its nimble handling, allowing riders to confidently navigate through traffic or carve through winding roads. The suspension system of the NS400ZT is designed to offer a blend of comfort and control. The front features telescopic forks with ample travel to absorb road irregularities, while the rear is equipped with a mono-shock absorber that provides stability and support. This setup ensures that the bike remains composed over varying road surfaces, offering a smooth and controlled ride. Braking performance is handled by disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels. The braking system is calibrated to provide strong stopping power with a progressive feel, allowing riders to modulate braking force with precision. The inclusion of ABS further enhances braking safety, particularly in emergency situations or adverse weather conditions. The NS400ZT rides on alloy wheels that are both lightweight and durable. These wheels are fitted with tubeless tires, offering improved puncture resistance and ease of maintenance. The tire selection is chosen to provide a balance between grip and longevity, ensuring reliable performance across different riding conditions. Honda offers the NS400ZT in a range of color options, allowing riders to choose a finish that reflects their personal style. Each color variant is meticulously applied to highlight the bike's design lines and enhance its visual appeal. The paint quality is engineered to withstand the elements, ensuring that the bike maintains its luster over time. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda NS400ZT is a testament to Honda's commitment to innovation, quality, and rider satisfaction. It encapsulates a harmonious blend of performance, design, and technology, catering to riders who seek a versatile and engaging motorcycle. Whether navigating urban streets or embarking on long-distance journeys, the NS400ZT is poised to deliver a riding experience that is both exhilarating and fulfilling. Thank you for joining us at Auto Paradise for this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Honda NS400ZT. We hope this deep dive has provided you with valuable insights into what makes this motorcycle a standout choice in its segment. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and analyses of the latest automotive innovation.